Okay, so this is the house on Capstan that we want. Really nice, big neighborhood. Sorry, it's really bright. If you come out onto the street, you can see the hole up there on the roof. I think it could just be patched, but we'll have to see. It's got these specialty blinds that are white, that you can see through them. It does have this large crack there, so possibly foundation work. Rose bushes, screen doors, entryway tile.